What's up, everybody? All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly generate a list of sold items, right? Because what I'm doing is I need to incorporate optimization of items that sell. So I need to give Ale a list of all of the links to revise the listing, because ideally, all he has to do is click a button and he's on this page, right? On one hand, I could just show the link like this, but then he has to load the revise thing. And I can eliminate that so he doesn't have to do it, right? So ideally, we just have a bunch of links and he just clicks on it and loads them, and then he can just edit, right? Because what he's going to be doing is we're going to be modifying the title, right? So you would get rid of some information and then add keywords that increase the chance of the item selling, right? Then you would scroll down and then click accept all for the item specifics. Because the second we are in a listing and revising it, then we should just, there's a couple like really quick things we can do that make it a little bit more likely that it'll sell, right? So we click accept all, and then you just scroll down and click update, right? So he's going to do that every time that the item sells. So I need to give him a list of all of the items that sell, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make that list, all right? Now, we're going to start off by going to the Seller Hub and then clicking on Paid and Shipped. And now I'm just going to make a very small version of the list, but understand that in reality, I'll make a much bigger one. But I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. So we're just going to get the most 200 recent items that have sold and successfully shipped. Because keep in mind, some of the items that sell, one, don't get paid for, or there's a problem with the item, right? So we don't want to be revising those kind of items. I want to be revising the items that just shipped, because I know that, well, okay, at least something was fulfilled. That's good. So here we have a page of the most recent 200 items, okay? Now I'm going to click on the URL or link grabber, and then this is going to open up every single link on the entire page. So we have 4,173 links. We don't need that many, it's okay. What we need is ITM, okay? This is gonna isolate all of the item IDs. Now the trouble here is that if we click on these, right, it's just gonna load a link to the item. We don't want that. We want Ale to just be able to click on something once and it loads the page that he needs to work with. We want to eliminate as much stuff as possible, right? So I'm going to copy all of these and we're going to get into Sublime Text. And we're going to open a new file. Okay. So I actually don't need all of this stuff. All that I need is the item ID. But what we need to learn now is, okay, the item link itself is www.ebay.com/ITM and then the item ID. That's to look at the item, but we want a link that revises the item, right? So it looks like that will be this, bulksell.ebay.whatever, whatever, blah, 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 and then here we go. So theoretically, we should be able to highlight this string, click Control Find, select everything, and paste these new modifications in, right? And now if this works, that means that we can test one of these. We can open a new tab, and if we go to this, we should successfully go directly to the eBay revision page. See? And then Ale is free to just immediately edit the title. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you. It's pretty quick, right? Like in the duration of this video, I now have a list of 200 items. See you next time.